Hello friends, I am Dr. Sunil Patidar and today we are going to talk about urethral stricture. First, let us know what is urethral stricture. What are the symptoms and which are the homeopathic medicines that can cure urethral stricture. So friends, first of all, let us know what is urethral stricture. Urethral stricture is the contraction of our urinary pipe. When our urinary pipe shrink from somewhere and that it become narrow, we called it urethral stricture. And friend, what is it? That is, where is our urinary pipe located? So friend, what is our bladder? That is urinary bag. So the pipe that comes from there through we urinate, it is called urethra, and it start from the neck of the bladder and reach to the tip of the penis in main. Friends, it's called urethra, and when it become narrow or contracted from somewhere, it is called urethral stricture. Friends, why does the urethra become narrow? That is why there is shrinking is there is contraction inside in our urinary tract. Friends, when there is any kind of injury or damage inside our urinary pipe due to a recurring UTI infection and due to any kind of injury, there is some damage and some injury in our urethra. So there is some kind of inflammation is there. So there the body try to heal itself, that is when the body try to repair itself, then friends the fiber of the protein which we call is collagen to get deposit is there. So due to which hardening occur and the lumen of the pipe, the area inside the pipe become smaller. So friends, there is how our urethral stricture is formed. So let us discuss what are the symptoms of urethral stricture and what are the things that cause urethral stricture. Friend, there are two main type of symptoms. First is weak torrent, meaning there is a weak stream. The weak stream which is does not remain properly, it become weak. And the second symptom which is main, and what happen in the patient to has exert force while urinating and sometimes it hurts. Friends, the third symptoms in some patient there are the stream does not come like a stream, it comes like a spray. As you might have noticed that when we are water the garden, if we press the hose from the front, there is no stream is left, it become like a spray. Friends, similarly when our urethra get compressed from somewhere, it is a stricture is formed, there is a contraction, then a stream of urine comes like a spray. Friends, the fourth symptoms is that the patient has to urinate frequently. Due to stricture, the bladder not able to empty properly. That means the urine that is inside the urinary bag cannot empty it is one go. Due to this, the patient has to urine frequently. So friends, these were the symptoms, and now we are know that the causes of urethral stricture. What are the things that cause damage to our urethra? Friends, there are three main reasons for urethral stricture. The most important reason is injury. The second happen urethral manipulation, and third is infection. So friend, now let us discuss these injury one by one, how they occur. Friends, injury are the very common. The most common is strudel injury. There is you are riding in a bicycle, that kind of injury is called strudel injury. This means there are some kind of injury in your growing area. Friends, we can get hit by a ball or in playing cricket, you can get hit by a stick on when playing hockey. So you can get hit by a football. So that these type of things can cause groin injury. So whenever we have a groin injury, the chance of having urethral stricture increase. Due to this, urethral stricture is formed. So friends, coming to the second things, that is urethral manipulation. Friends, it is called urethral manipulation when any kind of instrument is inserted inside the urethra. It is very common that when a pelvic operation or some kind of prostate surgery is performed, a catheter or scope inserted through the urethra to remove the prostate. Injuries are very common is there, and after that the stricture has developed very easily. Friends, another things that cause injury is passing of kidney stone. when there is a stone in our kidney, they travel from the kidney and comes out through the our urethra. It also sometimes injure the our urethra, due to which a urethral stricture is formed. Friends, there is third one reason is recurring UTI infection, means that you are getting repeatedly infection inside our urinary tract. Friends, due to this also stricture is formed. The most common form of urethral stricture is gonorrheal infection, a sexual transmitted disease that cause UTIs. So friend, there were the three reasons due to which we get urethral stricture. And now we can come which medicine is there in homeopathy which can cure our urethral stricture. So friend, there are two methods in allopathic system from urethral stricture. The first thing that happen is that they direct the stricture, let's open it, put something in it, but friend, it happen again as soon as you open it. There is an injury, tissue form again and again, collagen and protein, then narrowing occurs. There is another method which is called urethroplasty. In this, the lining from inside the mouth is taken and placed there. It is transplanted. Friends, there is complexity in that also. So friend, the surgery that is done is not helpful for the stricture. If you consult a good homeopathic doctors, so you can avoid this surgery and get very good relief. Friend, I use three medicines in homeopathy and I will mention them now. Friends, those three medicines are Chimaphila, Clematis and Cantharis. Friends, I give Chimaphila where the patient has to apply a lot of force and strain. I give it in Clematis where one does not have to apply so much force, but the age is very weak. And friend, I give it in Cantharis is there one has to urinate frequently and there is burning is also. So these are the three the main indication when I use these three medicines. Friends, the rest of the symptoms which are the stricture, yes, straining, falling, weakness, all these are found in these three medicines already, and I have just told you their differentiating point. One, their basis I prescribe them. My friend, use Clematis in mother tincture form, and I use Cantharis and Clematis in 30 potency 2 drops directly on tongue 3 times a day. Now we know these three medicines in some detail. So let us start with Clematis recta 30. It is very beneficial medicine in any genitourinary problem. This includes problem which is related to urination or any testicular problem. If any sexual issues arise, then it become very useful. When the penis tells us for the first time that he has started having slight obstruction in urination, and also the investigation reveal that his problem has started after using of catheter. For initial symptoms, there is very useful medicine for the urethral stricture. Mainly used in 30 potency, I give 2 drops of it to the patient 3 times a day. Next medicine is Chimaphila. Chimaphila is one such good medicine which I already tell about. Every problem where your prostate gland, mammary gland, testicular gland are involved. Those cases of urethral stricture where a lots of force has to apply to pass urine. Whether your prostate is enlarged, you have to exert force, or you have a problem with your urethral stricture in which have to exert force. If you have to pass urine with force, then Chimaphila work very well in those cases. It gives immediately relief, does dilatation. It is most given in mother tincture form. Mix 20 drops, half cup of water and use it 3 times a day. Let's talk about next medicine. There is next medicine is Cantharis 30. Cantharis is a medicine which is given many problem related to urination, in which one is common symptoms is burning sensation. If there is burning sensation while urinating, urine falls drop by drop. The patient experienced so much unbearable pain while urinating that he is unable to pass urine, and along with it UTI has also occurred. So we give cantharis. In that case, it is mostly given in 30 potency to 2 drops directly on tongue 3 times a day. Friends, apart from this, thiocinamine 3x, I give it where I have to dissolve scar tissue. Friends, I have also give arnica as a supportive medicines when where I have injuries. So friends, these are some important homeopathic medicines which can use and take it. All these information are about urethral stricture and also for the homeopathic medicine indicated in it. I hope that you have liked this information that I have shared with you and it become very useful for you. And so friends, please like the video, also share with your friends and family members. Be sure that the subscribe our YouTube channel if you are new of our channel. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Dhanyawad.